Well, I think I got a problems on my hand, I gotta solve it. When I see him on the street, I'ma pop a top. Yeah, they know I'm fucking hot. 75 CNT. Blood all day, can't you fucking see? I ride with the YGs in the pizza shop. Cowboy take over, fucking the block. Niggas don't give a fuck, and we turning up a lot. Yeah, I'ma jump up and trying to make it to the top. And I think I got a problem right on the fucking block. And I call my YG in the fucking pizza shop. Then I call my nigga Flago right out the fucking spot. And he coming with the 4-5 right on the block. About to pop you in your top. I don't give a fuck about the cop. We turning up, pop them in their fucking chest like this. On the shit, nigga disrespect, get hit quick. Cause they know 75 CNT. I think I got a problem. I think I got a problem. You see it, baby. I upgrade icy, baby. Well, listen, I said we think we got a problem. I think we gotta solve it. Right on the shit with the revolver. I think I got a problem. I think I gotta solve it. Right on the shit with the revolver. I think I got a problem. Yes, I gotta solve it. I'm coming on the ship with the fucking revolver. 38 coming out through, no shells on the floor. Cause I'm hot just like this. Yeah, we on the block, rhyme for day like this. I take it to the studio and flip the whole fucking script. Got the niggas on the dick, wanna ride with the set. Niggas wanna vet, 9 trade all day on the vet. Niggas gotta feel my man Mac B on the set. When he come home, hit you in your rest. You hear that? Give a fuck. Freestyle for days. I think I got a problem. You think you got a problem? Come holler, man. Like I said, Bedrock in the house. We throwing it up all day. Cowboy City. What up?